Hello there again. I'm Dan Clark of The Safety Brief. This is where we talk about health and safety hazards in today's demanding industrial and construction work sites. Let's talk about the red tags. No, there is not a sale at Penny's. Red tags are used as tools in 5S. It's a system of organizing and maintaining order in the workplace. Let's dip our toes into 5S. This system started in Japan as a way to streamline manufacturing. It's a tool used as part of Lean, and the 5 S's stand for 1. Sort, 2. Set in order, 3. Shine, 4. Standardize, and 5. Sustain. 5 S's, the way to clean out and organize your facility. Now, the red tags are used during the number 1 phase, the sort phase of 5S. So you have a large site that's really cluttered. You've got tripping hazards. Workers are wasting time dancing around materials laying about or searching for tools. So when you begin sorting, before you start red tagging, make 2 or 3 piles. In pile 1, put all the things that you use all the time. You'll put these back into place after you're done sorting. In pile 2, these are the red tag items. These are the things that you never or rarely use. Now label these things with 3 pieces of information: the name of the person who put it in the pile, the name and description of the thing, and the date the tag was attached. After about a month, look at all the tagged items. If you haven't used them, think about getting rid of them, and that could be storing, recycling, or actually throwing them in the trash. But if you've used them, put them back. If it's a seasonal item, store it. You can also use a red tag chart to keep track of these questionable red tag items during that trial period. While all this tagging is going on, don't forget about the rest of your 5S organizing. You set all the untagged items back in place. This is item number 2, set in order in 5S. But make sure to leave room for any red tagged items that may come back to the high use area. Item number 3 in 5S is shine, so you'll want to clean all the equipment, supplies, and work environment. 5S number 4 is standardize. That's integrating the new layout into daily tasks and let your workers know of this process. And the 5th S is sustain. Reinforce the new standards on a regular basis. You can't just set it and forget it. That's all for this episode. I hope you've learned something about red tagging and 5S. Come back for more tips and techniques on how to stay safety compliant in today's ever-changing landscape of safety requirements. I'm Dan Clark of The Safety Brief, sponsored by Creative Safety Supply. See their website at creativesafetysupply.com.